I want to show you the evolution of all the DARON airplanes and vehicles that I've bought from Amazon. Some I've got for Christmas within the last 2 to 3 years, but these are the ones that I want to show you that I've been purchasing throughout 2020, 2021, and 2022. On January 27th of 2020, about 3 years ago, that I received the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and American Airlines 777 new livery in the mail. And they were purchased off Amazon Prime for about $14 to $15 each. Nearly 2 months later, when the lockdown started, I got the FedEx tractor with trailer and MTA New York City bus, and those were delivered by UPS. And this video was posted on March 20th, 2020. Then another 2 months later, on my birthday, my first birthday of the lockdown, that I got the UPS die-cast tractor with 2 trailers. This video was uploaded on May 20th, 2020. 8 days later, I got a DARON Air Canada new livery Boeing 777 single plane. This video was uploaded on May 28th, 2020. Nearly another month later, on June 22nd, 2020, that's when my Qantas Airbus A380 single plane diecast arrived, along with my Royal Caribbean My Cruise Vacation playset, which was also purchased with the Qantas A380. Then on July 31st, 2020, I purchased the Aeromexico 787 Dreamliner. This was the second 787 in my collection. Then I got my Alitalia A330 single plane on September 2nd, 2020, around Labor Day. This was my last DARON plane for that summer. But I do want to show you the part that I did leave out earlier. Okay, apparently I did not leave this one out, but as of October 8th of 2020, I uploaded this video with my DARON airplanes like it was a real airplane spotting, and I added some free realistic sound effects that was from my video editing app. But yeah, it's kind of like doing airplane spotting but at home, because we were in the middle of a pandemic. Then about over 2 months later, I got my Lufthansa A350 single plane for Christmas on December 25th, 2020. That was all 2020. Now move on to 2021. My first DARON plane of 2021 was the Hawaiian Airlines single plane A330. Purchased it in late January, early February of 2021. So I've had this plane for about 2 years now. Almost. Then about over a month later, I got my Southwest new livery and Iberia single planes from Amazon that I've purchased. This video was posted on March 17th, 2021. This video of my space mission DARON NASA 747 shuttle carrier. I got it for my birthday on May 20th of 2021, but the video was posted 2 days later because on that birthday, I was on an overnight trip to the beach, and yeah, I'm not going to go into further detail on what happened after that because it brings me bad memories. I'm just not going to bring it up. But anyways, I've got this for my birthday almost 2 years ago. And yet another 747 that I got on August 17th of 2021. That was right before there was that one time when a wildfire was too close to my house and I had to pack up all of my plushies in their carry-on bags because I wasn't sure if that was going to get out of control or not. But yeah, 2021 was pretty awful. It wasn't a good year for anyways. So then my Turkish Airlines 777 and KLM Royal Dutch Airlines 787. I got those for Christmas on December 25th, 2021. That's pretty much it for 2021. Seems like I've gotten more in 2020 than 2021, but still both of these years weren't not really good years in my opinion. Actually, I did leave out one video. I also got an Air New Zealand 787 in August of 2021. This video was posted on August 18th, 2021. I purchased that one along with the Pan Am 747. It's just that they arrived, they were 2 days apart. Now moving on to 2022. February 11th, 2022, almost a year ago, that I purchased these two British Airways single planes, 747 and 787, and they arrived fairly quick, even though that I purchased them like 2 to 3 days prior. Usually Amazon Prime's pretty quick, especially with DARON planes. So that was promising. Then on my birthday, on May 20th, 2022, I got the Thai Airways single plane, and this is my third A350. I've been waiting for it for a few months. Well, I was expecting new DARON planes to show up around February, March, but due to the distribution issues, I'm not going to go into further detail with that, but there has been such a major delay in the supply chain, so there has been a major delay in the supply chain, so that's why there's been an extra wait. But I finally got it, and then over 2 months later, I got the Swiss Air A340 single plane, and that was on July 29th, 2022. It was right after I was really, really sick, because I've had what everyone's been hearing. But yeah. Then just 2 weeks ago, I got the Sun Country new livery 737 single plane for Christmas. Video uploaded on December 25th, 2022, along with my new Chevron gas station playset that I got 2 weeks ago. Out of all the 2 years of DARON worldwide trading products that I've purchased, I would say that 2020 was the year that I've received a lot, or I've purchased a lot. 2021, maybe average or less. and not as much in 2022. I mean, 2022 was pretty boring that year. Yeah, last year was pretty boring. So, hopefully that this new 2023 will bring us more promising releases. I mean, I've actually looked at DARON's official Facebook page, even though that I try not to be on Facebook that much, but apparently they showed a photo of a sneak peek of 2 single planes that they're excitedly working on, and they're supposed to be released sometime this year. Hopefully they'll release more than just 2 new airlines or new variants of already existing airlines. So anyways, that is pretty much it for this video about all the DARON planes that I've purchased throughout the pandemic, or more like plane-demic, since it's about airplanes, mainly airplanes, 1 cruise ship, and few ground vehicles and a gas station. But anyways, I hope you all understand what I'm talking about, and thanks for watching, and I will upload another video sometime on Wednesday. So thanks for watching. See you next time. Have a good day. Good night, everybody.